So let's start. Okay. Last time or previous lessons, we learned what we learned how to solve the simultaneous equation, meaning the linear equation of two unknowns x and y by the method we called the substitution. Okay. So actually we have another method to learn, which is called the elimination. Okay. Elimination is what? It's meaning that you have to do some calculation on two equations. Okay. Normally, maybe you can directly do equation 1 subtract equation 2, or equation 1 add to equation 2, or before those addition or subtraction, you have to multiply something into there. Okay. So first you have to know the very basic idea. Okay, is you have to know what is opposite number or opposite terms. Okay, so first you have to copy down this. Okay, your school is not going to teach you like this. Okay, so you learn the very basic things, then you can understand the operations between the equations. Okay, so first you have to know is the we call opposite numbers. So what is opposite number? Okay, so for example, we have a plus 2. Okay, this is positive 2, right? So is positive 2, what is the opposite number of positive 2 is negative 2. Okay. Okay, if you have minus 6, then its opposite number will become positive 6. Okay, so it's very easy to recognize what opposite number is. Okay, just change your sign from positive to negative or negative to positive. Okay, then you got the opposite number. So what is the things you have to know about the opposite numbers? It is that their addition will become 0. Okay, addition will become 0. Sometimes you see, for example, plus 2, I mean positive 2 plus minus 2 actually equals 0. Okay, or this minus 6 plus positive 6 also equal to 0. Okay, so this is so-called opposite numbers, and then we extend these opposite numbers a little bit, will become opposite terms. Okay, opposite terms. For example, we have positive 3y. Okay, then its opposite term is very easy, just minus 3y. Okay, or if you have negative 7x, okay, its opposite term will become positive 7x. Okay, this is very easy. So the same thing, the opposite terms will sum up to 0. Okay, meaning that positive 3y plus negative 3y will always equal to 0. Okay, and then minus 7x plus positive 7x will equal to 0. Understand? So the operation or the addition of the opposite terms or opposite numbers just give us the 0. Okay, the 0 thing is very good for us. Why? Because we have no need to calculate anything, because it's just 0. Okay, so it is very convenient for us to calculate things when you got 0. Okay, you get very happy about that, because I have no need to calculate anything, just 0. Okay, you can just write nothing there. It's okay. Okay, so elimination method just involving how to adding, okay, the opposite terms. Sometimes there are some opposite terms in the equations 1 or 2. Okay, you can just do the adding directly, then you got the 0. Okay, but sometimes there are no opposite terms in the equations, then you have to modify the equations to have some opposite terms. Then you can do the addition to get a 0. Okay, so we are going to do some exercise, okay, that you can follow and learn how to do this. So one very important thing is that in your school, your teacher, okay, normally your teacher will teach you to do some operations of two equations. Normally it would be the addition or subtraction, okay, but actually we have no need to do subtractions. We only do the addition is enough. So because addition is a little bit complicated, okay, compared to the addition, okay, student will usually make some mistakes on doing those subtractions of two equations. But if you're doing additions, that would be much better, okay. You normally make it correct. So we can just change those equations, okay, to be that always can be doing additions. So you have no need to do subtractions, okay. So just learn how to do only additions. Understand? So let's go to the exercise. So we copy the 18 one, okay, stage 1, 18, copy it out. So x plus y equal to -1, minus x plus y equal to -1. So look at here. Can you find some opposite terms in both equations? Actually, you have x and minus x. These two terms are what? Opposite terms. Okay. When you find, oh, there are opposite terms there, you can give name. Okay. So how do you get a 0 of these two opposite terms? You do addition, right? But you do addition not just x and minus x, because x and minus x are from two equations, right? So you have to do the equation additions, okay? But it is very easy. So you do 1 plus 2, okay? So how to do? Also keep the equal sign, okay? Equal sign. So this one, x plus minus x will be 0, okay? Then what's the remaining? Y plus y. Y plus y will equal to 2y. Understand? Understand? And then on this side, -1 plus -1 will be -2. Understand? So we got this. If you feel, I feel a little bit strange about this, then you can do some easier things in your rough paper, just like this, okay? Doing what? You can do, x plus, because we are doing this one plus this one, right? So meaning that this one plus this one, you do this one, okay, see? No, this one, this is equation 1 plus this one, right? Become this. And this one plus this one, okay, become this. Actually, they are doing this. But if you write this, it will become very complicated to write something. You have to write a lot of things, okay? Actually, we can just look at here. These two terms combined together, 0. These two terms combined together become positive 2y, right? These two -1 combined together become -2. Okay, that will be easier. So next you have to calculate y. Divide both sides by the positive 2. You got y equal to -1. Okay, the same thing. You have to calculate also x, right? So two equations for you to choose. Which one will be better? I think x equation 1 will be better, right? So I will still do this sub y minus e equal to -1 into equation 1 is okay. You got this x plus -1 equal to -1, right? So you move this -1 to the other side, okay? You got this, right? So x actually equal to 0. Understand? So do conclusion, x equal to 0, y equal to -1. Is it okay? So this is so-called elimination. So you do not do something like that or put equation 1 into equation 2. No, you're not doing that. But you do two equations, some additions or subtractions. Okay, this is so-called elimination. Is okay? So, okay, so this is the question 18. Okay, let's keep moving. We go to question 20. Okay, copy. We have 5x plus y equal to 4. 5x minus y equal to 16. Okay, so are there any opposite terms in both equations? Y and minus y, right? So we can give names. Okay, so you must do 1 plus 2, right? So do it one by one. 5x plus 5x become 10x, right? 5y plus negative, positive y plus negative y is 0, right? Give a equal sign. 4 plus 16 will become 20, okay? Divided both sides by 10, you got x equal to 2, understand? So you have to calculate y. You choose one equation. I will choose the equation 1. So I will do sub x equal to 2 into 1. You have 5 times 2 plus y equal to 4. 5 times 2 is actually 10. It's okay. So y equals 4 minus 10 is okay. Finally, y equal to minus 6 is okay. So do the conclusion. X equal to 2, y equal to minus 6. It's okay. Okay. So this is the question 20. Let's go to question 21. X minus y equal to 5. X minus 2y equal to 8. So we give names first. It's okay. So here we just find some find some terms x and x, but they are not opposite. Understand? So if look at here, if this x becomes minus x or this x become minus x, that will be perfect, right? So how to do this? In your school, your teacher will teach you. So use two things to do the minus. No, we don't do minus. Okay, we don't do subtraction. Okay, we only do addition. Is it okay? So you have to make the terms to be opposite. Understand? So you just keep one equation. Which one you keep is okay. So suppose let's say I keep the equation 2. Okay. So I change this x to be minus x. How to do? You use the equation 1 to times minus x. Okay. Times all the terms, each terms by minus 1. Okay. Not minus x, minus 1. So this term, write it. X times minus 1 will become minus x. Is okay. Minus y times minus 1 will become positive y. Okay. Equal to this will become minus 5. Is it okay? Understand? Understand? So we'll give a new name. Equation 3 is okay. So for these two, so because equation 3 comes from equation 1, so you forget equation 1 now. So you do these two equations, I mean the equation 2 and 3. So you can find x and minus x to be what? The opposite, right? So you do 2 plus 3, okay? You do 2 plus 3. So x and minus x become 0, right? And then minus 2y and minus y become minus y. Minus 1y, meaning that minus y, okay? Equal to this one, 8 minus 5, just 3. Understand? So y equal to minus 3. It's okay? Okay? So next, you have to calculate x. There are 3 equations for you to choose. I will choose, of course, the 1. Okay? So you do sub y equal to minus 3 into 1. So you get x minus 3, do it like this. Okay? So actually you have x minus plus 3 equal to 5. Understand? So move this 3 to the other side, become minus 3. So you finally get x equal to 2. Understand? So x equals to y equals minus 3 is defined. Understand? Not difficult. It's actually, I think, it's very easy to do. But you have to know, you have to make something, okay, into opposite. Understand? That's the very important skill. Understand? So I'll keep doing. Let me change some new paper. So go to 24. X plus 2y equal to 9. 3x minus 2y equal to minus 5. So when you copying the questions here, you see two opposite terms, right? So give name. So these two opposite terms, how to make it 0? You do addition, right? So you do 1 plus 2, okay? So just put your finger like this, okay? X and 3x plus together will become 4x, okay? 4x here. And then the y term will become 0, right? And then equal to 9 minus 5 equal to 4, okay? So divided both sides by 4, x equals 1. Understand? Then you have to calculate y. Choose the equation 1. So you do sub x equal to 1 into 1, okay? And then you have 1 plus 2y equal to 9. And then this 9 minus 1, 8. Divided both sides by 2, you got y equal to 4, understand? Make the conclusion, x equal to 1, y equal to 4. Is it okay? So keep going. This is 24. This is 24. I'll do 25. 25. So copy out the questions. Like this. So when you copying, you see two opposite terms are there, right? So equation 1, equation 2 give names. So minus 3y and positive 3y, how to become 0? Do addition, understand? Do addition, 1 plus 2. So put your finger like this, okay? X and 4x become 5x adding together. The y will be eliminated, okay? And then minus 1 and minus 4 add together will become minus 5, not minus 3 or not positive 3, okay? And also not positive 5, okay? Divided both sides by positive 5, you get x equal to minus 1, okay? So you have to calculate y. You can choose equation 1 or 2, up to you. Is it okay? Both okay for that. So you sub x equal to minus 1 into 1, let's say. So you have minus 1 minus 3y equal to minus 1. Is it okay? So move the minus 1 to the other side, become positive 1. You get minus 3y equal to 0. Understand? So y equal to 0 because they divided by minus 3 is still 0. Understand? So make conclusion. X equal to minus 1, y equal to 0. Okay? Understand? So I will do one more. Go to 28. Just copy out the questions. X minus 3y plus 11 equals 0. And then this 2x minus 3y plus 16 equal to 0. So actually, we don't like the number term to be on the left, okay? We like the number term to be on the right. So you move the number term to the other side. So do not give names here, okay? Just move like this. Okay, here it's okay. So when you move the numbers to the other side, now you can give names. Understand? So are there some like opposite terms there? No. But we see, look at here, minus 3y minus 3y. If one of them is positive 3y, that would be perfect, right? So you choose one of the equations to times minus 1. I will choose 1, okay? 1 times minus 1. So what will be given? It would be like -1 plus 3y equal to positive 11. Understand? So with this, you can give a name positive. Okay, this equation 3. So you do the equation 2 and equation 3, do the addition. Okay, so do these two equations right and wrong. So this should be equation 3. So put your figure like this. Okay, 2x and minus x will become x, and then the y term cancel, and then -16 and 11 will become -5, and then this will give you the x value directly. Okay, so next you have to find y. Choose these three equations from them. I will choose equation 3 because here is already positive 3y. Okay, so sub x equal to -5 into 3. You have, so do not mix out this minus and this minus. Okay, it should be like minus and minus. Okay, like this. Okay, otherwise you get something wrong. So this will be positive 5 plus 3y equal to 11. Move this 5 to the other side will become minus. Understand? 3y equal to 6, and then divide both sides by 3. You get y equal to 2. So you can make conclusion. X equal to -5 and y equal to 2. Understand? So I just finished half of the questions 17 to 28. So I finished. So you do the rest of the questions. Okay. Now you're going to do that. Now you do it. Okay.